Hi folks, my name's Ken Quick. I'm a retired teacher and coach from Idaho. Today it's my pleasure to show you this 2021 Newmar Ventana 3709. Let's go inside and take a look around. Okay folks, we're inside the Ventana 3709, the 2021. We're going to start in the back. We've got a great little bathroom back there. We've got emergency escape door with a built-in ladder. There's a safe. There's a spot for washer dryer. Big shower. As you move into the bedroom, you're going to have a king-size bed. We've got a bath and a half model here, residential refrigerator. We've got a nice dinette area with the built-in desks for your computer and even a place for a printer underneath. As we move into the kitchen, you know, you got an induction cooktop, microwave convection oven, nice sink with a spray nozzle. This coach is equipped with a fireplace, televator that above the fireplace, so you can have a TV when you want a TV and a window when you want a window. You've got a couch that turns into a bed. The cockpit area right over here is well designed. The backup camera, side cameras are facing toward the driver, so he or she has easy access to see what's happening. Folks, if you're interested in this coach or any other coach, please give the coach a call at 208-250-8625. We've got a great selection of a lot of different brands, so give me a call. Let's talk about it.